In this episode of Can't Make This Stuff Up, I have a 21 Toyota Tacoma that I cleared code, so I need to report. Complaint is it runs rough, and of course the check engine light's on, cleared codes, which I'll just kind of show here. See that no codes are stored. Go to the live data, we had a lean code. You know, one might leap and say that one side set lean code, the other one didn't, so the one bank is good, but it may not have met the criteria to set the DTC. So here we're looking at long-term, short-term field trims. It's kind of odd for them to move so much, but I did just clear DTCs so I could have wiped tables or maps. This is a light power brake in reverse, going very lean. Let's try this in drive and see what happens. That's kind of interesting. It's different. Do reverse again. A little bit heavier of a power brake. That's interesting. One way gets, I mean, maybe one way gets a little bit better than the other, but anyways, let's go to our visual inspection here. Maybe this is a new Toyota thing I missed the memo on. Goodness gracious. I don't have the foggiest. Alright. Evidently this was repaired by Red Green. Alright, after some finagling, got it back on there. Looks like this should probably be hooked up to something too. Probably right down there, although that was really tempting. Probably just undone while I'm busy wrenching on that. I would say the startup was a little faster. Let's see. Trim's going negative. Pulling it back. So let's do our power brake again. For reference. We might see an initial surge, but they're being offset by short terms, if that makes sense, right? Because I haven't reset trims. Right, it's going to a learned value on that. What, if you want to call it a field delivery map, load map. So, go back to drive here. If I quickly move into a cell that hasn't been updated, we get to see short term working quickly to balance that back out. That looks like, holy crap, I might have fixed a car today. It's interesting, right? So before I started recording, the power brake in reverse versus the power brake in drive. Reverse was far worse. Drive actually got pretty good. So I was trying to capture that on video, and it would make sense with the way the engine rocks here. There, you can kind of see in reverse, engine pulls away from the air cleaner, and in drive, pushes it towards it, right? And that kind of follows what we were seeing there. That would have been pretty cool to be able to make that call from the driver's seat, and maybe if I was more savvy at recording these things to put myself over, I would have done that. Live and learn.